Good Monday morning to YouTube. We'll do a little quick follow-up on the Super C. I did get a chance to get all the threaded grease fittings in. I'll get the pressed fittings in later. Also, I got the pin in the fast hitch over there, so that's good. But mostly this past weekend, I worked on my fast hitch one bottom plow for it. I've got this rusted bolt here to get out, and this right here is just going to have to be grounded off, and then I have to get a new bolt. But I'm really concerned about this one because it actually taps into that. So I'm going to hit this with a little bit more PB blaster, and hopefully I can get it to break loose. We'll see. But the main goal today is I got a new shop truck, and I'm going to put a lift pump on it today. I won't do a how-to video on a lift pump on a Chevy truck because there's plenty of people out there that have got those videos out there. They're really informative. I'll just show you what I'm working with, what I got to do, and then I'll come back when I follow up. So I got to get that done so I can get this done because I'm trying to make plow day next month. I've only got like 3-4 weeks, and I've got a lot to do before then. So thanks for tuning in. I'll get the new work truck outside and we'll walk around it, and then we'll get started on the lift pump. Stay tuned. All right, we're outside, and here's the new shop truck, a 2015 Duramax. And a lift pump is an external fuel pump fuel filter system that you put on these trucks so that the stock fuel pump doesn't have to work so hard. And unfortunately, the LML series Duramax, they have a bad habit of the CP4 fuel pump exploding, cavitating, which means they get air bubbles in it and they don't stay lubricated. So we're going to install the lift pump on here to make sure that I get enough fuel up there to that pump so I don't have that problem until I do the fuel pump upgrade. So, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. This is the external fuel pump with filters, hoses, mounting bracket, and all the necessary hardware and fittings. And yes, I've been cleaning this truck, and it takes a while to clean it. But anyway, so that's it. I like the truck. We'll do a little walk around, I guess. It was in really good shape. It only had like 35,000 miles on it when I got it, so it's still a brand new truck. But that's it. So we're going to pause here and go and get started on this lift pump because I've got to replace the factory fuel filter. And guess what? It is in here. So all this has to come off. It is right up here. So this has to come off to replace the factory fuel filter. I could have bought the block off plate for it, but I chose not to. I would rather have as much clean diesel fuel going to this thing as possible to prevent any problems. So I'm going to pause here and get started, and when I get done, I'll come back and show you what I've done. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the end of the video. All right, welcome back. Thanks for sticking with me. We're going to roll under here and I'll show you what it is. Okay, this is the external fuel pump. Water separator, fuel filter. GM and Ford and Dodge all knew that they had problems. That's why they gave us this bracket to mount the pump system to. All my lines are run, got everything tie wrapped and stuff so I don't rub up against nothing. Also too, my electrical is run with the factory. So, but that's it. Thank you, Chevrolet, and for putting that bracket there for me. We'll roll out and look at the rest. Okay, my relay is mounted to the firewall. I've got my ground and my power hooked up. All I've got to do now is find a fuse that is not hot until the ignition comes on, and then I plug this in, and then we're done. So I'm gonna pause here, get that done, and then once I get everything ready, I'll come back. So stay tuned for the end of the video. All right, welcome back. It's the end of the video. The aftermarket lift pump is installed on the truck. I've got the stock fuel filter changed, and as you can see from the previous picture, it's a bear to get to, it seems like, and it is. So that's it. The lift pump is in, no leaks, just a little bit where I made a mess under there earlier. So we're going to end the video here. Thank you for tuning in. Thanks for watching. I'm going to put it back in the building and go up and do the oil change on the little car, and then call it a day. So thanks again for watching. If you're new to the channel, welcome. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do. And we'll see you next time from Old Red Tractors.